Vino gon' cook up, be Mr. A.
I wanna see another vision, all up bitch. And that stolo spinning, hold me down. I can't shake this feeling. What you want, I ain't even gotta say that I'm a real nigga. Since 16, I been knocking shit off and you talk about deal with them. I can't live my life, but say waiting on. Try that rolls all night, if the shootout gon' go down and this bitch can't stay at one. Cause my life is crazy, let my old girl cause she play me. Got at it since I been a baby, but these niggas still won't slay me. I can't get my mind blown, now since my mind gone. 2 girls, 5 little boys, I gotta make it home. I'm alright, don't worry, don't cry. It ain't nothing that no one can do to save my life. I just know I'm your flying angel if I leave through the night. And I ain't scared. I ain't scared every time it was up, I ain't never ran. Living life on the edge, but I'm seeming to constantly hold on from the strictest ends. Come from doing shows